JPMorgan Chase versus Wells Fargo. Which is better? Links to relevant products and resources can be found in the description below. When deciding between JPMorgan Chase and Wells Fargo, it's essential to consider factors like account options, fees, branch networks, digital tools, and how each bank aligns with your personal or business financial goals. Both are top-tier, well-established banks, and while their offerings may appear similar at first glance, there are key differences that can influence your decision. JPMorgan Chase is known for its extensive credit card portfolio, competitive rewards programs, and strong presence in both consumer and small business banking. With thousands of branches and ATMs nationwide, Chase provides easy access to in-person services. Its digital banking experience is robust, featuring a user-friendly mobile app, online budgeting tools, and integrated payment options. Chase is particularly appealing for those who value a wide range of credit card choices, frequent travel rewards, and a comprehensive suite of banking products under one roof. Entrepreneurs and growing businesses also benefit from Chase's flexible loans, merchant services, and cash management solutions. Wells Fargo, on the other hand, is recognized for its broad branch network, still one of the largest in the country, making it easy to find in many regions. Wells Fargo offers a variety of checking and savings accounts, mortgages, and personal loans, often with options to waive fees for customers who maintain certain balances or have multiple accounts. The bank's digital tools are continuously improving, and its relationship-focused approach can be a plus if you prefer face-to-face guidance and the convenience of widespread branch access. Wells Fargo is often a good fit for consumers who prioritize extensive in-person banking options, solid mortgage products, and loyalty programs that reward long-term relationships. In terms of fees and rates, both banks offer ways to avoid monthly charges through qualifying activities, and both provide robust customer support via multiple channels. Ultimately, if you prioritize top-tier credit card rewards, excellent digital platforms, and extensive business offerings, JPMorgan Chase might be the better fit. However, if branch accessibility, traditional banking relationships, and a strong focus on mortgages are key, Wells Fargo could be more suitable. Assess your priorities, compare key features, and choose the bank that best aligns with your financial objectives.